Thank you, Dad, for every sacrifice. Thank you, Dad, for believing in me. You worked through the long days, you carried every load. You gave us strength and courage, you showed us the road. When life became uncertain, you stood and led the way. You gave your love so freely every single day. Thank you, Dad, for your love. Thank you, Dad, from above, for every prayer, for every tear. Thank you, Dad, for being here. You taught us how to stand, you taught us how to fight, you taught us how to dream and choose what is right. Though words may never tell all the things you do, today we celebrate and say we love you. Thank you, Dad, for your love, for your love. Thank you, Dad, from above, for every prayer, for every tear. Thank you, Dad, for being here. To every father around the world, your love matters, your presence matters. Your family sees you, your children thank you. Oh, thank you, Dad, for your love. Thank you, Dad, from above. Today we honor our fathers everywhere. Thank you, Dad, we truly care. Happy Father's Day to all dads around